Here comes the Enterprise now.
Attention please, train arrival on platform 2. This is the Belfast train. The Newry, Portadown and Belfast Central. Train arrival on platform 2.
Number 6. I see, last year the Enterprise got refurbished, as you can see. Now, I haven't taken it since 2009. So you have number 206. So now behind me is the Enterprise, as you can see right there. Hey! Haven't taken that train since 2009. 7 years.
Oh my god.
No, but thinking about it again since, because of the new look. See that? Also, if I zoom in, let's have a look. Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm okay. Right, it's just about to depart. So it caught the Enterprise there. And also, the interior of the coaches got refurbished as well. Right, you can hear the 201. And away it goes. Let's see what the driving trailer number is. It's number 9004. Alright, so we caught the Enterprise. Next stop is Newry in Northern Ireland. I just heard inside it said, oh, it's calling out Newry, Portadown and Belfast Central. So, and also, there was something else I wanted to show you. We're going to take a walk along platform 2. Better to look away. Here we have a 29,000 class commuter train. Of course, 2 years back in 2014, that livery was starting to be phased on those locomotives and replaced by a two-tone dark green. And in 2010, the commuter livery on some of the other ones were the 2600, 2700 and 2800 class were starting to be replaced by a green one, silver and green, a silver one similar to the one you see on the ICRs. But I'll take you up to what we have now. See the Enterprise up in the distance there. Wow, it's a really long walk. up here, you've got NI Railways. NI Railways have their old Gatwick Express coaches stored right here. They've been here for a good couple of months. They've been here for almost a year. And just look at the state. Got dust all over them. So they're all rusty, and one of them's been attacked by graffiti artists. A couple of them have. One thing is, those things aren't in service anymore. So we'll stop here at the phone box. Here we have the 29,000 class in the siding and the Gatwicks. The Gatwicks were actually purchased by the RPSI for preservation. And sometimes at the station you see NIR's 111 class locomotives, which have a similar body to the IE 071s. And so that's it for now.